present this wreath to remember the Zulu warriors who fought and died at Sandlwana. The inscription reads, "In memory of those brave warriors whose sacrifice teaches us the value of freedom, may they rest in peace."
Could you please face the media people so that you can the pictures?
Your Majesty, the second two items I'd like to present are to you. The second two items I'd like to present are to you and to Prince Misuzulu. These are spearheads that were recovered from the Anglo-Zulu War. We do not know which battle they were recovered from, but we think that it's right on the 144th anniversary that they come back home.
Major John udlulisa isipho engonyameni wokuqala lihambane ebomvu eyisikhumbuzo salempi. Okwesibili banikeza umntwana, banikeza isilo nomntwana undunankulu. Imkhonto lena lama-pieces emkhonto asala laqoshwa lapha eSandlwana ibona nakwazana. Flower kanye nemkhonto oyibonayo ukuthi imkhonto impela nje e-original eyaqoshwa lapha eSandlwana okuyona eyadla abafo. Uzubona lezi insizwa ziyakwazi ukugcina izinto 140 years ago lokhu beyiphethe le mkhonto babuka lento eyabadlayo ukuthi yayenziwe kanjani. Bayeke hlanga lomhlabathi sinesikole. Sizodlula lapha ezipheni ezinye ezikhona abantu bakhona abazozethula ngokusemthethweni. Kodwa bengucela ngesikhathi sethulwa izipho ngenxa yesikhathi ngiyacela amabutho kaZulu mhlawumbe